So I purchased my iPhone 12 on launch day after using Android phones for the last 8 years or so. And after essentially starting to get tired with the video experience on my Android phones, I decided I would jump ship to the iPhone. I documented my unboxing and first experience actually, and you can watch the video right there. Initially, I wanted to make a video showing how I use this phone over the course of one day, but then I figured it would be a little more interesting if I documented a special event entirely shot on this phone, rather than just an entire day of my semi-uneventful life. So what does that mean? Well, this video will feature nothing but footage and photos from the iPhone 12, straight out of the camera, no editing. This means no footage of me using the phone, because that would be cheating, and no footage like this one, or this one. All right, let's go. We do have a special event today, air balloon ride, and I took this occasion to do a quick camera or day in the life with this phone. I'm gonna shoot the entire thing with my iPhone 12 just to see how it holds up for the entire day, and we'll see how it goes.
We're gonna watch this sky. We're hoping that as the sun comes up, it stops raining, because we don't fly in rain.
Right, okay.
And so it's not safe.
Okay, so now we're waiting on the rain to clear up. Basically, there wasn't supposed to be any clouds in the sky today, let alone rain, but here we are. And the sky looks pretty, it's just not ideal for flying. So we got a little bit of a drizzle. We're gonna have to wait to see if the sky clears out. I'm gonna take a few photos and hopefully they turn out as great as this video. All right, quick update, we are gonna go ahead and get in the basket in a little bit. We're just making a quick video. Oh, sorry. Up until now, there was only two ways I had been able to experience the sky from this point of view, either from an airplane or while skydiving. Hot air ballooning is a different experience altogether. The stillness, the apparent low speed at which you drift in the wind, that creates an amazing experience that you have to experience for yourself if you have the chance. So bringing it back to the iPhone's performance, I can honestly say that this is good enough for me as a main video camera when I'm simply filming myself. I also have a Sony a7 III, but I'm perfectly comfortable whipping this phone out and recording whatever it is that I like to record for myself. Thank you for watching this short video about my love for the iPhone 12 camera. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button and leave a comment down below. I would love to know what you think about the video, the photos. I'll see you in the next one.